Hello there. Hi, this is your host Ajay Fredi from Pakistan and this new video of a new scholarship. This scholarship is by APU University in Japan, and this is University Recommendation Scholarship, Max Scholarship by University Recommendation. It is for international students for master degrees and for PhD degrees. So master degree students and PhD degree students, they can apply for this scholarship. It is fully funded, and it's a good amount which is given in it, and many things are free. This is Max scholarship, and you know the benefits of Max scholarship, which is very well known and famous one. So this is given by Asia Pacific University in Japan. Let's talk a little bit more about it and how you will apply for it. And this is for masters and PhD. This is the link here, application system on which you can go and you can apply for your required program. Its deadline is in November, so you have a good time. You can apply for it. So these are the graduate academics. You can choose in all these categories one of your programs, and it is a fully funded scholarship. Okay, so we now talk a little bit more about it, how you can get this one and how you can try. Okay, so more details of this scholarship we can read through here a little bit. Max University Recommendation, UR means University Recommendation. So graduate application only, not for undergraduate, only for masters and PhD. So okay, so Max UR scholarship. To be considered for this scholarship, applicants must first apply to APU, Asia Pacific University, Japan. So first you will have to apply for university. You will have to apply to university. Then APU will then select eligible candidates to recommend to the scholarship organization. So APU will select Asia Pacific University. They will shortlist the candidates and they will send it to the next organization for their for their scholarship recommendation. So the names will be then collected by next organization. So about this scholarship is awarded to outstanding international students who are recommended by APU, Asia Pacific University, Japan. The Japanese Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology, that means MEXT, provides this scholarship with the aim of enhancing the international competitiveness, that means competition, and promoting the active exchange of international students and Japanese university, to promote basically to bring international students to the Japanese university. So this is their aim. Eligibility requirements: must intend to study abroad in Japan from overseas. So you must be international student and you want to study in Japan for your master or PhD. So must be a MEXT designated country. So you must be a national of MEXT designated country. I will open this link in a bit. So I read first these 2 points, then I will go to this link to see. I will scroll that, you can see your country is in that list or not. Must be born on so your date of birth should be after the 2nd of April 1991. So you must have achieved this GPA. So your GPA must range between 2.3 to 3 on the scale of 3. So you can calculate your marks and you can put on the scale 3 GPA, and then you can make your calculation that whether you lie in this domain or not. Scale at the most recent university, so which the degree you have done most recently. It can be your bachelor degree or your master degree which you have done before. Okay, so this award, and these are some more details. You can go through this about Max scholarship, but this thing is important. This award is covering many things. Look, your admission fees of your full tuition fees provided, and your monthly stipend is very good. 144,000, that means 144,000 Japanese yen. That's a good amount, very good amount, and it's excellent amount. people love to get this to their for their study abroad. So this is very good attraction if you are successful in getting this. Medical insurance is also provided. Books and instructional materials are also provided. And travel expenses. Look, your air ticket is also financed. That's very good thing to know. So the travel from your home country to Japan, and then in beginning and by at the end of the program, that will also provided. That when you will finish your program, then again the ticket will be provided. So this is another plus point of this scholarship. So you must try for it, follow these steps, and yeah, try to get this one. Okay, so application and selection criteria process. So deadline is 12th of November this year, and this is university recommendation scholarship, and the enrollment will be done in September 2026. So the process will be completed by it is the deadline is 12th of November. So after that the process will be completed before you start your study in September 2026. So APU reviews all the application, and then they will make the decision and they will send to the next. Okay, so applicants selected to be recommended for the scholarships are notified with their final APU